guys, it's Kimmy. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. But I'm like, I don't care, I got people to talk to, I got things to talk about, okay? So that part is a little tricky sometimes because as I'm on my phone, and this hospital, guys, oh my God, it's so beautiful. I mean, it'd be better if we didn't have to have hospitals. Let's just be clear. But this hospital has the most beautiful, let me walk with y'all, hold on. I'll show y'all. It has the most beautiful lake. And it's so calming. And again, I didn't bring my selfie stick out here. I'm gonna take a few more of y'all questions. But let me show y'all this hospital. I'm gonna turn the camera. Look at these flowers. It's just so peaceful. Oh, wow. It's so peaceful. Look at these flowers. And you know, the water has such a calming effect. Look at this. It's so calming. It's just a really beautiful hospital. It's really beautiful. And I see the birds and the butterflies. So when I'm out at a job like this, I take time to enjoy the roses, like for real. Because it's painful coming to facilities like this. It is. It's very painful. But again, when I'm out here, I'll sit for a minute. Like I'm gonna sit right here. I hope the water's not bothering y'all. I'll sit here for a minute and let you see. And it's just so calming. So I'll take a few extra minutes. I'm not in a hurry right now. And I'll just sit here and free my mind a little bit. Don't nobody know why I'm here. All right, so Rhonda says here in Louisiana, it will be mandatory to have a $50,000 surety bond starting February. Oh yeah, a lot of states have surety bonds. Some do, some don't. Just FYI, the bond carries. I always have my mask when I'm going in the hospital. I always have my mask. I still don't play. COVID and stuff is still real. Always got my mask. But what I was going to say is, just for those of you who do not know, the surety bond protects the client. It does not protect the notary. What protects the notary is errors and omission insurance. Okay? Is that water too loud? Can somebody let me know? Oh, y'all got a lot of comments. Hold on, let me get to comments, and then I'll move if the water is too loud. Lori says, thank you. So were we clear on that insurance? Notaries need error and omission insurance that protects you in case you make a mistake as a notary. It does cover your loan signings. It covers you whenever you are stamping any paper. Because a lot of times notaries will call me and say, hey, I was told I couldn't use errors and omissions for my loan signing. I have to get professional insurance, or I have to get general liability. Not true. You are covered as long as you are stamping that paper. Okay, now it does not cover if you accidentally don't deliver the documents on time. You're driving around talking to your friends and you could miss the 5 o'clock deadline for FedEx and now the documents don't ship to tomorrow. Your errors and omission insurance does not cover that. Okay? It does not cover if you accidentally run into the mailbox at someone's home. You're sitting there and you run into the mailbox. Not covered. Not covered. It doesn't cover if you accidentally run over the cat's tail. That used to be a favorite of mine. If the documents accidentally get wet. That's why I don't let them have a whole big old cup of coffee at the table while we're signing. And then they're like, oops. Oh, no oops, honey. You can drink that coffee once we finish this signing, okay? So, let's see. Let's get the next one. Lori says, okay, thank you. I've been going back and forth on what to use. Yeah, just use your phone. Oh, yeah, Lori. You know I do simplicity, Lori. You know me. Kimmi, you just freed me of my anxiety for filming. Yeah, girl, ain't nobody got no time for all them cameras. Now, if that's your whole business, sure. But for what we do as notaries, I use my phone for everything. I've been using it for, like I said, 5 years I've been on YouTube. All my content is filmed with my cell phone. Now, I do try to find good lighting, like if I pull the camera up a little bit like that. So if I had my selfie stick, let's see, can I turn around and get y'all while I'm just chilling? I act like I don't know where to be. I do. Oh, see how beautiful that backdrop is? So while you're out, this is just a little tip, and this is kind of go in my my new, well, y'all know I have another channel called Business Life with Kimmi, but it's actually it's already changed. It's going to be called Creators Club with Kimmi. And the reason I'm changing the name of it, though, is because on that channel, I'm going to be teaching people all things digital. All things digital. How to do an ebook, how to write a course, how to do chat GPT, how to get over your fear of filming, how to film. And you know, I like things uncomplicated. So, you know, how to hold the camera. Like when I hold it up like that, you see how nice that looks? So it's going to cover everything. And you see how I hit that light? So if I had my selfie stick, it would be better, but I'm holding it with my hand. So all those little things like that, I want people to start getting this digital money. These 15-year-olds, 13-year-olds, heck, babies are making money on the internet, and people our age are scared to death of everything. I want y'all to stop being afraid. We got to get that digital money. So people are like, well, hey, you want to go do this? I'm like, yeah, that sounds good, but that sounds like a lot of work. I'm about that digital money. I'm going to go stamp some papers, and I'm going to get that digital money. Okay, so that's what my new channel, Creators Club with Kimmi. You can check it out. There are already a lot of videos over there, but you'll see different content coming. I haven't actually rolled it out yet. Hey, y'all, we got a lot of people joining. Any questions I can help you with while I'm here? I'm actually at a hospital signing, but the weather was so nice, I thought I would take time and do a little filming out here. And look how tranquil that water is. So I'm just in chill mode. Jeffrey's somewhere else, so I just said I'm gonna take a few minutes and do some Kimmi time. And this is free Kimmi time. Sometimes we're like, well, what can I do for myself? You know, when I go to an appointment, a lot of times I'm stopping to have me a little coffee. I had a little Starbucks earlier. I had a caramel macchiato, extra caramel drizzle, no whipped cream, soy milk, extra hot. What? Decaf coffee. Was it good? So that was my little treat for today, you know. So it's not easy being out here in these notary streets. So I take a few minutes, even when I'm at an assignment like I'm doing right now. That job is finished. I'm sitting out here just chilling by the water, by myself, with myself, talking to y'all for a few minutes. And so let me get some more comments. Hold on one second. So any comments or questions while I'm here? So yes, Lori, start filming today. Hey, Ann Grip, I saw your other video. You are so welcome. You are so welcome. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you, Lori. Hey, Donna Mac, how you doing over there? Hey, CC, no, Georgia does not require a notary bond. It does not. It does not require Arizona mission insurance, guys. So this is why you need training. Your states do not require anything. Nothing. The majority of the states don't require anything. That's why you need proper notary education, because I'm going to teach you how to do a business. Your state not trying to teach you how to do a business. They barely giving you laws, okay? I give you best practices based on state laws, based on real life experience, and how to actually build a notary business. Because somebody said, well, I can learn how to do all this through my handbook. Girl, your handbook don't teach you how to do apostilles. Your handbook is not going to teach you how to do an apostille business, how to do proctoring, how to do field inspection. Your state handbook does not teach you any of that. So that's why you need notaryeducators.com to learn how to start a business, guys. Okay? I want y'all to start a business. If it's not notary business, I'm good with that. I am so good with that. Find something that you like, though, that you can make a living at in addition to your regular job, because I'm not dependent on nobody no more. I thank God I never lost a job before. We never lost a job. My husband never lost a job. So I don't know what that is like. And now I'm seeing it on YouTube every single day. 6,000 people laid off, 8,000 people laid off. So you may be saying, well, Kimmi, if everybody gonna become a notary, there's not gonna be any notary work. Wrong answer. We got to stop thinking scarcity. Oh, I'm the only one could do this and make money. Not. We have 50 states, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. I don't work 24 hours a day. Now, I do work 7 days a week. Ask the chat. I work 7 days a week.